I started in 1997. I was an assistant cook. I learned a lot. Cooking is like an art. This is my dream to learn how to cook, and I'm happy to serve the guests. When I was promoted as a TC, I feel like I was improving. I start preparing all the meat, fish, poultry that the buffet needed. We are the one who's ordering the provision and then give it to my chef to order it to the supplier. I'm happy to work here in DFDS, teaching me how to improve, teaching you how to make the work better in the galley. They are all my mentor. Because of them, I'm standing here. If they saw you that you are busy, you help, especially my co-TC, Derek. Derek is like my brother.
Derek. I think he was on deck too.
We are always taking coffee outside there, talking about the things that we can make ourselves happy and comfortable. This is the best ship that I ever worked on.